the same flavor over and over and over again. Yeah. Soon you'll get to try some new stuff. Yeah, soon. 3 more months maybe. I know. That sucks too, doesn't it? 3 more months of the same boring crap, hey? I could stare at you all day. I could. And then I could eat you all up. Yum, 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 yum. Yes. Mwah.
It's like, what the heck is that?
What's that noise, hey? I love you. Gabby loves you. Yes, he does so much. Yeah. Gabby loves you so much. I love your smile. I do. Yay! Oh. Grandma's tired. Grandma wants 4 sleepies. Can I go to sleep? Yeah? Good night. Grandma wants to go to sleep. How about you make supper, okay? Can you make supper? Say only if you get to eat it, right?